Ever wondered how everyday phenomena have bizarre science behind them? From the morning sun to the evening stars, there is a world of intriguing science awaiting discovery. Prepare to have your mind blown by the 10 most bizarre scientific facts behind everyday phenomena. Starting off at number 10, did you know that the popping sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is actually the sound of gas bubbles bursting in your joints? It's a harmless phenomenon, and contrary to popular belief, it doesn't lead to arthritis. Moving on to number 9, ever wondered why your fingers wrinkle in the water? It's not because they're absorbing water, but because your nervous system is responding to wet conditions by changing your skin's shape to enhance grip, much like the treads on a tire. On to number 8, have you ever noticed that your nose runs when it's cold outside? That's because your body is trying to warm and humidify the cold, dry air you're breathing in, producing extra mucus in the process. At number 7, did you know that static electricity is the reason why your hair stands on end when you take off a woolly hat? And finally, at number 6, the reason why we yawn is not necessarily because we're tired, but because our brains need a quick cool down. And that's just the beginning. Let's dig deeper. Moving on to the top 5, brace yourselves for some truly mind-boggling facts. At a number, we have the science behind why popcorn pops. Did you know that it's all down to a tiny droplet of water inside each kernel, which turns to steam and makes the kernel explode? Next, at number 4, we have the oddity of why we wake up just before our alarm clock goes off. This is due to our body's internal biological clock or circadian rhythm, which can learn and anticipate our daily routine. Sliding into the third spot, we have the science behind why we forget what we were thinking when we walk into a room. This is known as the doorway effect, which suggests that our mind compartmentalizes thoughts based on our physical location. Coming in at number 2, we have the bizarre fact that hot water freezes faster than cold water, a phenomenon known as the Mpemba effect. Although it seems counterintuitive, it has been observed and recorded since the time of Aristotle. And the most bizarre scientific fact behind everyday phenomena is the reason why we yawn when we see someone else doing it. It's a contagious reflex rooted in our social and empathetic nature. What a journey, right? From the 10th to the 1st, we've dived into the scientific explanations behind common phenomena, including those as mundane as pruning fingers and popping popcorn. The ordinary has indeed become extraordinary through our exploration. Remember, science is everywhere, so keep exploring, curious, and until next time, keep questioning.